Yo, what up? What up? It's your boy Mikey Underdog in the building. It's my birthday. Having a great day today. Um, Guys, I was about to stop trading, and then I saw this setup that I see on SPY all the time. Not all the time, once in a while. Right, guys? As soon as you understand that trading is based off experience, seeing it over and over and over again, and then getting better prepared to nail it the next time, and then when you hit it, understand how to trade it better, and so on and so on. So, SPY is acting all crazy today, but guys, this is that 1 minute bull trap long play that you think, oh, this is flagging, it's above orb, it's above a level, let's go long. I saw this immediately and I slammed contracts and had a 135 average. Let me see if it'll show up real quick. Had a 135 average and I rode it all the way to 290. Um, let's see right here, 382s, send a 1. This is exactly right here. Got in at like 135 right here and it rode all the way up to, no, this is not, this is the wrong one. Rode up to 290s. Hold on. Let's see if I can find a Discord. No. Another shout out to the new EDU room that we got up and going. No longer will be part of anything big or crazy. I just want to do my own thing. Try to help and teach as many traders as I can because, guys, the market is going to go in the direction it wants to. People think they can try to move it up or down. That's really not what it is. If you get better at understanding tape reading level 2, which setups work, which ones don't, and really soak in that type of knowledge, you're going to be a more well-rounded, self-sufficient trader, and that's the goal for 2023. Is you try to help as many as people I can that can sit here at their computer desk and just trade, lock in some green for the day, live a better life, and just become a well-rounded trader. But nonetheless, guys, on this one, real quick, on SPY, I don't know if this is gonna. Okay, here we go. Um, Real quick though, let me see if this will pop up. I think the last video I tried it didn't. Let me see if I pull this. No, wait. Okay, it won't. Period. It's weird. It's cool. All right. Anyways, will this pop up? No. All right. That's so weird. Okay. I guess it's only capturing this particular spot, which is fine. Let me see. Okay, if you know, you know. If you're in the room, you know. Moving forward. But anyways, that was a great play. I mean, I got $1.50 per contract. It was just like I was like ecstatic. I was like, no way! Like I've seen this so many times. Back tested it, hit it, and it just worked out really great. Okay, moving forward, guys. VV. Actually, let's go over this one. VV. Real quick. It's like I'm having a brain fart trying to go back and look over the trades for today. VVOS. Ha! Okay. All right. Moving forward. VVOS, guys. We had this JSPR type move, uh, AM type of move. And what I mean like that is, guys, these things, they're gapping up. Right? Look at this huge move. This thing just went from 60. Day one, cool. Day two, gap up. It was like 290% at the top of this, and 270%. And what we're getting is these things that they hold up, they hold down, right? Hold up, gaps up real quick, holds down. Doesn't gap down out of the hold down, gaps up, holds. Opens up, holds, pulls back, does these funky things. It just keeps holding up or down over and over and over again. But eventually, right, I wanted to see what I saw in JSPR was after it did all that funky stuff right here, right? Hold up, down, up, down, blah, blah, blah. You know, Eventually it met with some pressure and then it stopped doing that. It halted down, but then it started just to trade. Okay. Wanted to see basically this type of pullback on JSPR on VVOS, sorry. All right, and that's exactly what we got right here. And then real quick, VVOS. Let me see. Let me see if this will. It's not showing up still. It's so strange. Okay, I'm trying to. There we go. It's so weird that it's doing that. Okay, so if you see this right here, guys, try to add or unhold. Wanted to see because this thing is super extended, right? Super extended. Watching the level 2 in the tape, I saw it started to fail, so I joined, and then it dumped real quick, covered up most, and then I saw that the tape was starting to be really strong again, like JSPR, one of those like it's just going to keep going up, down, up, down. So I kind of avoided that whole thing, all these halts, up, down, and up, down, and I waited for it to actually halt. And at this point, when it came up to these 290s, there was another halt band, and what had happened was is that it didn't halt. The halt band moved up to 299, and it's like the buyers got exhausted. They no longer kept trying to push this up, and then we started to see this halt down. The unhalt opened, and it stayed heavy and really gave us this move. I covered most right here because there was this 223 daily pivot right here. A nice spot for a 2 bounce if it wanted to bounce, and it did. Okay, so after that bounce, covered up most, and I almost wanted to protect myself and say, hey, listen, I top ticked this. I don't want to just cover or that, but I'm gonna get better at catching more of this move. I see a lot of other traders doing it. It's just amazing to see how these other shorts just like, you know, nail it here, take some covers on these extended move down, hold through all this, and then just really catch 180s. Thiz caught 180s. It was awesome. He's like, I want 180s, you know, and sure enough, came into 180s previous consolidation before the moves up in a pre-market. But that was a great trade. So my whole point about explaining this is that you're gonna get these things that hold up, hold down, hold up, down, up, down, wherever the case may be. And it's really paying attention to the tape in level 2 to see how, all right, is that funkiness, is it done? Is that craziness done? And try to zone in on really catching the move that you wanted to initially, because this is a different type of beast than just catching one that just rips and then comes all the way back down. Okay, so that was a great short. TCBP. This was my birthday present right here. Had 883 average right here. I don't even know why this was up, right? It's just like, pull this up right here too. TCB, don't even know why this is up. It started hitting scans. It starts multi-holting again too. 1, 2, 3, 4 holds all the way up. Okay, interested, time to watch. If you look left right here, where this topped off at right here is this into this supply area, these levels on the daily. But more importantly is that this thing started to not necessarily get heavy because it was pretty much light volume, guys. If you kind of see, this VPA, let me pull up this one and try to match it real quick for you guys. Right, so we got this volume right here. In general, this is light volume, right? But it's like this huge move up. I don't know why. Light move up too on the volume on this one, but this is just level 2 and tape reading right here, guys. Okay, level 2 and tape reading. Okay, one shot this. The nature of this one is whippy. So this type of name, it's like I'm shorting this name, and actually this cover here, it's actually dropped, but since the spread on that was so big, it was like, oh, I covered, like my first cover was like, okay, whoops, I need to wait. And what I mean by waiting and watching this and the big spread on some of these on these tickers that you run across is that even though you get a flush candle, there's such a spread that if you try to buy the ask or even buy market, that you might accidentally just pop that thing right back up and buy the top of that to cover. You want to see it come down, you want to see some walls, and then maybe think about dripping, taking some here. This is basically what I did the whole way out. I saw this hold right here, and I'm like, whoa, what's going on? So I took some right here, and then this thing halted down. I took some, it knifed, took some, and then it halted down. Out of the unhold, took some. Didn't catch this whole move down. That's all right. It's like, it's my birthday. Trying to have a good day today. Really nailed some two amazing shorts. Nailed a quick SPY long, but really nailed that SPY put for $1.50 a contract. That was amazing. Volatility on SPY is nuts, guys. Remember, if you watch my SPY videos, and you know that I have like a whole monitor to the left dedicated to that, you know, a whole monitor to the left dedicated to that. It's cool. So every time I see a setup on that, I'm not hesitant to take that trade. Remember, guys, patience and discipline, right? And also not hesitating to know when it's time to hit the gas. And the only reason that you'll actually get to that level is being here every day, soaking it all in, you know, and being ready for that. All right. Big shout out to everyone for all the birthday wishes, guys. Great trades today. Hope you guys are learning. That new EDU room, the underdogs room I got going on is going to be a tight niche community. I want everyone to grow there, to be self-efficient, to learn how to trade, and just already seeing so many people take their own trades and go off of things like watching the content, learning, digging in, failing, getting back up. Trading is definitely a big thing about trading is being resilient, like to get back up. I took a loss. All right, let me get back up. Took a loss. Let me get back up. Let me learn from that loss, move forward, help other people try to learn too along the way. Don't get greedy. Take your profits, and more importantly, just try to have fun. Like today was a really great day. You learn as you go and as you grow. Like it's better to just be patient, let it come to you. You're gonna take losses. Like what? Sometimes I'm in a short already, or I'm in a long and I'm red, and I'm like, okay, or I'm in some puts. Might have gotten a little too early. I had my plan. Let me stick to my plan. If I'm red, I'm red. I need. Where's my stop? Where's my exit plan on that? Like, how much? What's my tolerance on my loss? What's my tolerance? And just like even being green, like like this thing faded more, and it's like I can sit here and be like, hey, nail the bottom, nail the top. No, um, 950, stock from that average from 880s. We got covers, or I got covers all the way to 580s. That's like, let's go, $3.30 a share, or whatever, or $3 a share exactly right there. The best thing you can do is show up every day at your desk, be ready, and learn. If you're going to be in this mindset of like, I need to make money every day, I need to this, especially in the beginning, right? And now I'm definitely at a point where it's like, hey, I do want to make money every day. You will lose, but have that mindset of like, hey, it's time to learn. All right. Today, I only traded two tickers in SPY, so three names. I traded three names, but mainly it was two small caps and SPY. You know, the experience that I got out of VVOS today was phenomenal. The experience I got out of TCBP was phenomenal on the short side. Instead of sitting here and seeing all these setups, left, right, left, right, up, down, I'm just like, I'm focused, right? Because the market is going to present so many opportunities, and once you see them, you want to lock in, zone in, and take advantage of what you can possibly take out of the market, right? We either win or we learn. All right, guys. Much love. Peace out. Guys, I'm going to drop a link. If you guys are wanting to join the YouTube channel and kind of work with a smaller community, you are more than welcome to. All right, I'll see you guys. Much love. Peace out, everyone.